Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to activate the QR code scanner for your camera. So here the things that you need to do is just go up on your settings, and whenever you're here you just need to scrolling down until you found a camera section. And whenever you found this camera, you just need to go click it, and you just need to take a look on these first boxes that containing a lot of options right here. And to activate the scan QR codes, you just need to go take a look on this second last options here, which is the scan QR codes, and then you just need to turn the buttons on until the color is changed. So here is the way to activate the scan QR codes, and now whenever you activate these features, your camera will be able to scan the QR codes from your camera. So that is the way how to activate the QR code scanner for your camera. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.